Hi, how are you everyone? Welcome back to my lovely channel. For your information, this video was created on 29 May 2018, 08 of hour, 23 of minute and 13 of second. In this lovely day, we are going to explain something. The thing is, can coughing cause rib pain? In the next few seconds you will get a short information about can coughing cause rib pain. Hopefully it will help you. Enjoy the video. Here is the explanation about can coughing cause rib pain. A bad cough can definitely cause pains in your ribs when you cough. There are muscles between your ribs, called your intercostal muscles, that are accessory muscles with breathing and are also involved with coughing. When you breathe in, your diaphragm contracts and pulls your lungs down, drawing air in. Now, we will give you 20 seconds to read again the explanation by yourself so you can absorb this information. Please take your time. Hi, that's all of the explanation. If you find this video helpful, please like and comment on this video and subscribe this channel. Thank you, and see you again in another video. Goodbye.